The West Jaintia Hills District Administration, led by Deputy Commissioner B.S. Solia, today has taken a proactive step by partnering with the District Mental Health Program to create a dedicated cell for polling parties in the West Jaintia Hills District. The primary goal of this collaboration is to offer counseling services to individuals who may be facing stress or anxiety during the election process. In recognition of this need, a health camp was established to support personnel on election duty.
Manda stress ki nomor sam he tiga cini ki dan itu tahu iwan ini kam yang district mental health program bawa Jaintia ya wan dibahag counseling pada MD wan stress ke anxiety yang depression addiction ni any kinds of mental disorder ke iwan ini yogi counseling ini